Yeah, let's go play. Did you palit your avatar? Join me. Join me. Margo, Margo? Huh? I'll add you. Not Gush? No. I'll add you. Oh wait, my name is, look, this is my name. Spell this. Okay. First, let's start with the capital. E. Hey! Can you spell it? Oh, I cannot get to 16. Okay. Go. There. Let's play. Let's play Brookhaven. There's the Brookhaven. Okay. I will join you. Where are you? You're my honey pie, sugar plum, humpy, you're my sweetie pie. Huh? Tina, did you palit? You didn't palit? I palit. Where are you? Why did you palit? I like. Oh, I want like you. You always gaya me. This what? Who's this? Come to me in here. Marga, look at me. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna palette my own avatar. I want to change my damit. I don't want this. I want taller. So, you're my sweetie pie. Look us.
Nothing like a good battlefield test my latest invention.
Alright, go! Paka! Aray ko, pakak. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, humpy. Oh, my sweetie pie. Oh, brother! Wait, I want to change my body. This is my body.
Just stand back.
Cause why hitting it to me? Stop it! You just like me, I'm ugly. I'm begging you. So, Tina, the girl see me. Okay lang yan. Roblox lang yan eh. You're my honey bun, sugar plum, humpy. You're my sweetie pie. You're my honey bun, sugar plum. Are you serious na, bro? Are you serious na, bro? Are you... Bro, oh, you love braids. What? I really love braids. You're my... You're my huggy pup, sugar pup. Huppy. Oh, I'm so tall. Huh? I'm so tall. Yeah. Baggers like you, like baggers like you. I just me girl, like me jolly that. Boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. I'm a boy. Susan na bro. Make me jumping brush and boom chakalaka. Ay, Susan na. I got a bunny. You got me jumping shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom. Oh, puppy, you're puppy. You got it now, Mr. Boom shakalaka, boom. You make me overtake. You got me now, Mr. Boom shakalaka, boom. She's so cute. Oh my god. Beautiful. Yes. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You got me now, Mr. Boom shakalaka, boom. I have to tangle the hair. Boom shakalaka, boom. Okay, kalbo. Kalbo? You put puppy. That's. I want to be puppy anymore. You got me now, boom shakalaka. I have to tangle the short. Oh no! I see you. I see you. Yeah, of course I see me. Tina, look. Look. There will come a soldier with my sword. To prepare you see that. Olay, olay, Lord. Olay, 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 Lord. People tell you see that. Why are you not around? Okay, let's stop. Oh my god! I got pinamiswa. Boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. I want this. Boom chakalaka, boom boom chakalaka, boom. Beep beep. Atina, beep beep. Yeah, I have plenty to comment. Bad girls like you, like. I got me now, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. How to swim?
Even the smallest speck of sand could become a sand.
I want all like this. I got me now, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. We're going swimming. Huh? We're swimming. I got me now, I'm trying to swim. Ako ba? Ganda. Marga, look. Look how I stop. I want to. You got me now. A swim. A swim. Oh, I'm like a mermaid. You got me now, so go down. I want to do this, to slide. How about you climb? Wow. You just books. Margo, look, I'm sitting in water. I'm sitting in water. Hindi. I got me now, so let's try this one. Okay, that is it. Whee! You got me now, so pretty. You got me now, so I'm pretty. Are you in the daycare? I see you. The daycare, so diba we watch the daycare kids? Daycare kids. You got me now. I'm Kasha. Look.
Let's show 'em we need this.
You got me. Oh, look! Huh? Why? How do you go there?
Enemy has slain more.
Oh, wow! You're a beast. You got me now. Margo, look at this. Look at this. Huh? Margo magic. Teleport. You just teleport there. You got me now. Margo, you're not watching. Look. Look. Oh. Oh, that's nice. How do you teleport there? I don't know. I just teleport. Hi.
Nothing like a good battle to decide every latest invention.
Hi.
Initiate.
I'll teleport. Bye-bye. How you do that? I teleport too. Can I teleport too? You're here. You teleport. Oh.
Killing spree.
How you go there? You go? You always follow me.
Great sword launch attack.
Going to swim. Going to swim. I like my outfit. Margo, look, I swim like a mermaid.
Killing spree.
Swim like a mermaid. And gonna fix my own. You will just die on me. No. I will do it. Look at this. Okay.
Don't worry, this ain't my first rodeo. Initiate retreat.
I'm swimming like a mermaid. I'm swimming like a mermaid. You're just gonna die on me. See, you just swim. I'm gonna book a hotel.
Mayhem is a great sword to destroy.
They get my own pretty house. Oh, wow, I like this house. I will buy it. I will buy this house.
Remember,
This house. What you doing, SpongeBob?
double kill. Initiate retreat.
Go to I know I have a mansion here. Oh, mansion. Let me color this. I'll color this. What? Color this color. That's your house? Yes. Open. Okay, guys. That's all. So, yeah, that's all. Bye-bye.